You know to use chopsticks?
I do.
Yeah. You use chopsticks. You put a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Firstly, you want to make the softer. That the
Okay.
a little bit to make a softer. That rice paper. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, cool. Then it becomes almost see-through.
Yeah. And then the fish. Remember, remove the bone. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, the fish. Yeah. Okay.
So you put it on one side?
Yeah, just on one side like this, and
Like a
then
taco.
Yeah.
and then shrimp and salads.
Got some bones in there.
You gotta get rid.
Remove the bones.
Yeah.
Yeah, because easy later you can try that. Yeah. Okay, and if you like the noodle, you put the noodle. If you don't like, you just that's all. And then roll it.
I don't know if I'm gonna be good at this.
Roll it. Yeah. Roll it. Wrap and
Really
roll.
tight.
Yeah. A little bit tight, not too really.
Are you tucking the ends?
Yeah, wrap and roll. And it's just for you.
Ooh, thank
you. You dip in the sauce here. That
Okay.
make on short, huh? You try.
Perfect.